I want to address this particular question that always comes up on my YouTube channel, that between DeepFace Live and this new prank video call software that you can use to make call, okay, and swap face in a live video call, which one is better? Okay, people always like comparing. Why are you always saying that DeepFace is outdated? Why is this one better? Number one reason is you can actually use this one to swap face in a pre-recorded video. Okay, a recorded video, you can actually use this software to swap your face to any face, whether male or female face. Recorded video, I'm not talking about going live online. Okay, that's the number one reason why this is far better than DeepFace. DeepFace, you cannot use DeepFace to swap face in a pre-recorded video. Number two reason is this particular new latest swap face software that I can use to prank people on all social media platforms on a live video call is faster than DeepFace. Okay, DeepFace lags. DeepFace is always slow. DeepFace is not that fast. It's faster than DeepFace. Now, the third reason why this new face swap software is better than DeepFace is it uses only JPEG and PNG image to change your face. In DeepFace, before you can be able to change your face, you will need to create a model. You can use JPEG or PNG image to change your face on DeepFace, but remember, it will never be sharp. It can never be sharp. But this one, you don't need to create model. You use only JPEG or PNG image to swap your face. And creating a DeepFace model is very expensive and it takes time. And you cannot create it on a 4 gig or 6 gig dedicated gaming laptop. The only laptop you can use to create a model is from 8 gig, 12 gig, 16 gig dedicated. So you guys should bear in mind, this is the third reason why this software, this latest software, is far better than DeepFace. And for those of you that are using this particular software, okay, my latest version of face swap software, I'm going to make a video in a few days time and show you guys how you can use this same software to be able to change face in a pre-recorded video, not just in a live video. Okay, a video that has already been recorded can swap anybody's face in that video with just an image, whether male or female face. Okay, and it will come out very smooth. And this video is going to be free. Nobody is paying for anything. But once you're using my latest software, okay, face swap software, you will get this video for free. All you need to do is just write me on WhatsApp, okay, and I will send you a link on where you will watch it so that you will know how to do it with the software that is in your system. The software is not just only meant for live video prank on all social media. Now, the fourth reason why this software is far better than DeepFace is it can work on 4 gig dedicated, but DeepFace 4 gig dedicated gaming laptop can never power DeepFace. DeepFace, you have to have up to 6 gig dedicated, 8 gig dedicated before DeepFace can run smoothly on your system. 4 gig is going to lag. It must lag, even if it's Alienware, it must lag. So this is the fourth reason why this software is far better than DeepFace. DeepFace is actually getting outdated. Now, the fifth reason is that it's clearer, it's smoother, and it doesn't consume GPU memory. But DeepFace with JPEG or PNG image, DeepFace can never be clear as this software. This software is much clearer than DeepFace. Now, the sixth reason that I'm going to give you guys on this video is you can use this particular software to achieve full screen on WhatsApp. Unlike when you make call with DeepFace, okay, if you call on WhatsApp, the video will just appear just below your screen. But with this one, you can get full screen the way normally you used to call with your phone. You can get full screen on WhatsApp. These are the reasons why this software, this latest software, is far better than DeepFace. For those of you that are already using this software on your system, if you're using my own version, I'm going to make a free video by tomorrow or next tomorrow. The video will be out, so watch out for it. And I'm going to be sending those of you that are interested to know how you can swap face in a recorded video. I'm going to be sending you a link for the tutorial. It's free. You're not paying anything for this particular tutorial. I'm just giving it out to those of you that are already using my own version of face swap prank software.